Alright, I'm out here at the crossing on Florida State Route 20 in Hosford, Florida. As you can see, we got some small updates here. I'm doing this because I know I recorded a tour of this crossing a few years ago. And they've done some upgrades to it, I think partially as a result of Hurricane Michael back in 2018. As the first update here is on the rear lights here. One of them was replaced. I think this is probably a result of damage from Hurricane Michael. As you can see, it's now only installed by 24-inch light. And interestingly enough, it has what appears to be a Dialight low wattage LED. I mean, it could be a Leotech IL, but I believe it's Dialight low wattage based on the Tyndall lens. But there's a Dialight LED in that head, while everything else here is still GE. Everything else here is still GE uniform look. And up here on top of the signal, where there used to be a Safetran mechanical bell that was removed by the time it came out here in 2018, there's now General Signal's electronic bell. There's the cantilever over there, still pretty much the exact same as far as I can tell, along with this one I think as well. Can't remember what gate lights it had previously. But interestingly enough, this relay case is on, if you notice. I don't know if the gates aren't tied up or anything. I don't know if they're in the process of trying to bring this part back in service. Doesn't look like they use this much, if regularly at all. But the power is on this crossing currently. Can't remember if it was or not when I was last here. Next crossing north on Florida State Route 65 actually has a actually has General Signal's E-bell added as well. Can't remember if that had a mechanical bell when I was last here or not. I'll probably review and maybe try to remember to put in the description what it had. But yeah, I went ahead and documented the E-bell anyways, just in case that was an upgrade as well. But yeah, just a quick update here at Florida State Route 20 near Hosford, Florida. Over and out.